was that? Take a video of this?
Every time. This is an issue.
What do you want? Why are you coming to me?
Hit him.
Oh, you better not.
Hit him.
Slap you in the face.
Theodora.
Slap you in the face. I will slap you in the... Oh, whoa.
Theodore, pee on him.
Theodore, if you come in, I swear to God.
Theodore, go get him. Go get him, Tiger. I like you now, Theo. Where you been, boy?
Better get out of my face, Theo. Get out of my face.
Theodore, get off the golf cart. Angie's gonna kill you.
Angie? Are they not leaving?
Apparently not. We can't work on the boat.
I said, what was he doing? Why is he coming on the golf cart?
I don't know. Wow! Look at Buttercup! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Why did you?
I thought, okay, I need to give you a reaction to your video.
Seriously, I wanted it to be genuine.
So nice.
You look really nice next to it.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, buddy.
Wow. So nice.
It's so cool that you're seeing it in real life. Tell it like it is. I'm not to play with. Go and find yourself. Mark, can you show how they rotate? Show how they rotate. Twist them. Do they? Twist them, twist them.
We bring work to the food.
This is breakfast right here, but really,
Really?
we're at the point of flipping the boat.
3 steps, right?
Yes.
We have the 3 steps right here. You have to memorize them.
Position,
As the first.
technique, location, location,
We
location.
have to focus on location.
So this is the boat. We have the neck. We're gonna make a trench in the ground, put 4 floaters, and
we
then
cannot forget about Solomon.
rotate it on top of the floaters, like so, to where the neck falls right into the trench. Easy plan. We'll see how well it's executed. Come on, Mark.
Alright, you can leave it like this.
Oh Lord.
Slide it this way.
That's stone, maybe.
Let's slide it this way.
Wait, hold on.
This could be the end of the boat.
We have a lot of things in the middle when you move first. You gonna move the stuff? Maybe.
I'm so scared.
It's gonna sit on its side.
Amy's gonna sit on its side.
I'm so okay.
Move it this way.
Hold on.
Oh Lord have
1, 2, 3.
mercy.
What was that?
We have a lot of things in the middle we need to move. I don't like that sound.
Me neither.
So, carry it with me.
It's like wood splitting.
Yeah. Whoa, that's a top that you're carrying from.
Keep going. You need to come here.
I know, I was just trying to move it out. Like,
Oh my gosh.
Who's calling?
Dad.
Dad?
Oh my gosh.
Who's here?
Alright, let's go. Is this sit in?
Hey, yeah.
You look from that side. Yes, I can
come here. Amy, come here.
Hmm.
I don't know why it's been like very slanted.
Oh wow. That's alright, we clean that up
Yeah.
once it's flipped.
Okay, look at it.
What are you trying to do?
Just make sure it's
You good?
No, she doesn't seem like it. Oh my lord. But then what? Oh shoot.
Hold on.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Alright, wait. Okay. So now this is leaning on the black box.
yeah.
The black box is not holding it. And look at that one. It's too far out.
You got it? You got it or no?
Amy, I'm basically holding a boat right now.
I'm so scared, guys. I didn't have a good feeling.
Alright, listen.
Honest,
As fast as possible.
honest to God, ratchet strap the spine to the ceiling. And
You know,
lift
you can
it.
work on it like this.
Can't
No.
stay like this.
Okay, wait.
Angie, you want to go out and eat?
Alright, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
If you don't have it, you have to tell me.
I don't have it, Angie. No, I do.
How you doing?
Amazing.
This is
How are
crazy.
you doing? That's a great question.
I'm
Angie, I'm either getting
I'm
busy or sleepy.
so nervous.
This thing keeps shaking. You're gonna need to push that.
Oh, don't let go, don't let
No,
go.
I'm pulling it down a little.
I thought you were gonna ratchet strap the spine to the ceiling.
Angie, you know what we should do? Strap that side. This breaks, we're gonna need a video that goes viral to make our money back.
Make our money back. What the?
The faster we do it, jump back, it's gonna fall on it.
What?
It's gonna fall on it. Well, your boat needs to
What do you
stop when
mean?
hold it.
No.
It's not gonna have time to push it back.
What are you trying to do? Hold on. You want to pull it down from the bottom?
We're gonna
That's
flip
it?
it. No, push it and flip it, and it'll go so fast.
How are we
it's
gonna
go
push and
down.
flip that fast? I'm already shaking by doing that.
Well, the slower you go, the more time you can move. Okay, put it slowly. Watch what's gonna happen.
No.
We should have never been convinced by her confidence.
Exactly.
She's too confident for no reason.
I know.
No, it is fine.
Yeah, 2 minutes. So easy.
Oh, you guys just gonna flip the boat, that's it?
Uncle Adel's idea was so much better.
Listen, it's done. Just with its weight, and then we will adjust it.
Should I land it on it slowly? Right now?
It's gonna slip. The back is gonna slip. I see it happening already.
It's gonna slip and it's gonna fall.
Mark.
Jump back and it falls down. Outside. What happened?
No, we don't catch it.
What happened?
What happened to the guy? I don't know. You want to try it slowly? Grab it. Let's try it slowly. And bring it back.
Push it down. Oh, we're
Like,
pushing
try it
it.
slowly, but bring it.
It's leaning up that way.
Don't catch it. Don't catch it. Ready? Ready?
Oh Lord of mercy.
Ready?
Oh Lord of mercy. Oh Lord of mercy.
Okay, stop. Wait.
Oh Lord of mercy. Oh Lord of mercy.
Put it up. Put it up. Put it up.
Carrie? Let him move.
Broken. It's broken. Oh shoot, it's broken.
Alright, the other box.
Ah! Oh shit! Oh, the head is touching.
Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Go down. Down.
Oh shoot. Well, it worked.
What the heck?
Ah!
What the heck's that?
Okay, come back.
Hold on. Let's not do
Oh
anything.
my gosh.
I need to secure this.
I just second there to know what happened. Alright, first of all, we need something here ASAP, Amy.
Holy mackerel, where?
Here that the boat doesn't fall.
Okay, wait.
What do you think, this table?
Where? On this guy?
On this side here?
Yeah, go for it. Go for
Right?
it. It's emergency mode.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh shoot. What are you doing, Angie?
Lift.
Oh my god, look at the ants on this.
Lift. I put this under.
Why?
The one day Angie comes
Wait,
into the
hold on, hold on.
garage.
It's gonna slip in the back because the back is not
Oh
moving.
my
Let's put the back first. Why did this fall? Why did it start falling?
Because the back broke.
I know, but I was carrying the back. I was carrying the boat from the back. Why did this start falling? Did something break here too?
No, it's slipping forward.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, it is breaking.
Yes.
That's breaking.
Yes. Something's breaking from the
Trailer
front.
is breaking.
Yes. Everything has to be replaced.
Okay.
That makes it better.
I need this to go.
Oh, Mark, easy. We build something the size that we need and we cradle it and let it drop to the floor.
I need this to go.
That's fine, that's fine.
To put the block under it.
You want to build the black under it?
I'm not excited. This is how I live.
I'm not excited.
Honestly, she's crazy.
She's not driving.
Let me see her. Let me see her finger.
I'm leaving! How did I leave? Right.
She did it. She somehow did
You
it.
want to push this back a little? Or what?
We're all damaged and destroyed, and Mark is bleeding. But
Wait, can you go inside the boat? We're stationary. You're done.
that's crazy.
Go down.
I lift it and then you rotate. You put it up. Ready?
No, wait.
And you just pull it.
I swear she's gonna kill us.
Probably. Oh, just, working on the boat.
Yeah.
Just figured we could use some mango
What
juice.
can we eat on the boat? That's the question. Mango's the best thing.
Always need that mango.
Yep.
Nice.
I let him crawl in here.
Look at the boat, guys. It's flipped over.
Why is it flipped over?
Because we're going to have to wrap the top of it now.
But Amy, there was a lizard that ran in here.
Yeah, that happens all the time.
Can you catch it?
No.
Whoa! As if we are actually in the boat. Like the car. No, that's the